Hello everyone. Today I thought I'd try and make a card just using sentiment dies as the image itself. So looked through and found this one from, it's very old, from Paper Smooches. Just says love. So I thought I could put it on a square going round like this. So I started cutting it out from white card, all the loads of scraps. There's 2 layers there. And then I thought to myself, well, what am I going to have as the colour inside? Shall I just colour one of the middles that I've taken out? Or what shall I use? Well, I came across this in the scrap drawer. It's a download from Pingwing. PNG wing free. These are the 2 colours I tried for the surround. I made a slightly larger mount for it. So I think I'm just going to kind of join it together. What did cross my mind was, should I overstamp some of this stuff with gold as some sort of filigree pattern? If I were to do that, really, I probably should have done it before I cut them out, although it is still possible. So I just don't know whether it will detract or improve, really. I could try one. If I don't like it, I've got plenty more there. I could cut some more from. Shall I do that? Let's just do that. This is the bit I want to be gold. So we'll just try it. Pop it onto this. This is my map that I was joining the layers together. Let me just do this. I think this kind of thing will probably do. I'm not quite sure where I got this from, but we'll have a go. Let's just see. Get some Versamark. Just wondering whether to put this onto a block or not. Don't think it matters, really. And we'll put some gold embossing powder on that. I can probably dunk these, actually. Okay. Just that to go in the glue. Let's just see what they look like now. We want it on with the white surround, don't we? Unless I do that gold as well. Oh, there's a thought. Let's just see. That is really pretty, isn't it? I'm going to have to do that. Definitely. You think of these things too late, don't you, really? Let's just do these. You know, hindsight is a wonderful thing, isn't it, really? I decided that I didn't like this background. I thought it was too much. And I've been contemplating whether or not to emboss the outside parts of these words. But I think I might just leave it a bit subtle this time. I used this die I had out from the other day. It says for you. I've got 2 layers here. I'm just going to snip the bit of the 4 off because I don't want that bit. Because I thought this looked rather nice, just kind of linking across like that. That's only 2 layers. I may well do another one of those. These little bits are for the insides of the E's and the O's. These ones I've already done, and I've got 2 2 layers each. Have I done it again? I've only got 3. Oh, there it is. Dear me. So these are going to go on top of these. So I'll do that now. And all of these layering things I did with my dabber brush. It's a cut-off basting brush. Just dip it into some craft glue. Each of these little bristles gets a dab of glue on the end, which is transferred to the bits and pieces I need to glue together. And then I'll just pick those up and pop them on the top. Feel very gluey. Get a bit more. Okay, those are all my middles done. So what I think I'll do now is to stick on the outsides. I'm going to leave them white, pristine. I wonder if I could do it all in one go. I'll try. I'll just give this a wipe first. Okay. They're not joined together at the moment. A bit further into the corner. I think that will do. Another one. What I used for lots of these was just ordinary plain craft, you know, white school glue. Let's just put, because I'm using quite a bit. Let's just try again with this. Just need to put these in now. Here we are. Now I've just got to stick on the U. I think I will do another U. I will have it three thicknesses like the rest. Bit of a scrap just here I can use. Nearly there. More central there, I think. Right, this can go onto that, and that can go onto foam tape. So I've just added some foam tape to the back of this panel. I'm going to pop this onto the card. It really does look clean and simple, doesn't it? So there we go. But as I say, hindsight is a wonderful thing, isn't it? This embossing would have been done much more easily if I'd embossed the piece of card before I actually cut them out. But it did mean that I could choose the part of the stamp that I wanted for them. So there we go. A card using merely a sentiment as the design. And I rather care for it. Paper Smooches, Love Die. Can't remember that one. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for the thumbs ups and checking your subscriptions. And many thanks for the people who hype my videos. It's very grateful to you. And do come back and see me really soon.